Hi guys, Sasha here from TT Liqueur. Today we're going to show you a drink from our new class menu, and it's a little twist on a julep. And for this we teamed up with our friends from Bombay Sapphire to create a beautiful gin and elderflower julep. Over to you, Kay.
Alright guys, it's Kay back here at TT Liqueur. Today I'm going to be showing you a drink from our new cocktail class menu. This is a really delicious summery cocktail called a gin and elderflower julep. I've got a quarter of a lemon here. I'm just going to give it a squeeze with my hands, pop it in the bottom of the tin, and then just use my muddler to give it a little bit of a mush in the bottom of the cup. Now the next ingredient going in here is going to be some fresh mint. So I'm going to pick myself maybe about kind of 8 to 10 mint leaves. I'm going to give them a slap and a rub between my hands like so. Now the first liquid ingredient that we need is of course some gin, and we're using this lovely Bombay Sapphire gin, and I want 40 mils of my gin. There we go, fantastic. Now the next thing going into our gin and elderflower julep is the elderflower part, which is going to come from some of this Germain elderflower liqueur, and I want 25 mils of my Germain. The final liquid ingredient going in here is going to be some apple juice. I've got some nice cloudy apple juice here, and we're going to go in with 1 shot or 25 mils of our apple juice. So I've got some crushed ice here. I'm just going to fill my cup about 2/3 of the way, take my bar spoon and give it a good old mix. Here we go. So I'm going to take another nice big scoop of crushed ice, pile it on top of my glass like so, and then finally for a garnish, I've just got some nice sprigs of mint over here and put that in the side of my glass. And that is our gin and elderflower julep ready to drink.